Hello for everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to generate AI images, text to image without using Dall-E 3, and especially you're using Dall-E 3 but for free. In this video I'm gonna show you a website that can generate Dall-E images for you completely for free. So if you wanna learn how to do that, you have to see the complete full video. And if you like our videos, you can subscribe our channel to see more videos when we update it. So let's dive into today's video. First, you have to open Google and search for more AI. After that, you can see here SynCode AI. You have to click on. After going on syncode.ai, if you have signed in before, you just have to go to dashboard, and here click on image generator. And here you can see the latest images which are generated by SynCode AI. It is powered by Dall-E 3, Stable Diffusion, and much more powerful AI. So you can just click on create an image. You can select here open journey, stable diffusion, Dall-E 2 and Dall-E 3. I'm gonna select Dall-E 3 and type some prompt here, whatever you wanna see. For example, a cool. So in here, if you wanna select Dall-E 3, after that you have to type some prompt in here, and you wanna describe the picture, how picture you wanna see. For example, a cool picture of Mr. Beast, and also selecting the image size. I've already selected this. A number of images, one. In here you can type the style of your image that you wanna generate. In here it has some suggestions like comic book, hyper realistic. I'm gonna select hyper realistic and generate image. You have to wait few seconds to see the result. You have to wait few seconds because generating pictures from AI is too hard. It needs some efforts of computer. I think it's not what we wanted because I think they don't know how to service. You can search something else. Man, the moon. And start generating. Just wait few seconds, it's gonna show you some things. And here our pictures here. If you're not agree with the result, you can change the model, for example, like changing to open journey and regenerate your image. it's a little bit much more better. So right now let's see what can a stable diffusion do. Let's try it out. Video recorder. And in here you're gonna see the result of image in here. I think it's at least it's better, and you can see it was the power of AI that can create some things for you at least. So this was our today's video. If you like to see some things like these educational videos, you have to subscribe our channel to see the latest video from of my channel. So goodbye for right now. We'll see you next video.